Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to make Japanese style teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki, it is so good, you're going to love it, especially when you put on some rice. First things first, we're going to organize our garlic, a couple of cloves, just dice them up nicely. Then our chicken, this one is a little bit tricky, but basically we're just going to slice it thinly, not all the way through so that it's stuck together, kind of scar it in a way. Then we're going to move on to our sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, Japanese style cooking wine, rice cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon and a little bit of honey. You could use sugar here, that's fine. Then our garlic goes in that. We're going to get our pan nice and hot with a bit of sesame oil. Turn it on to medium heat, just heat it up a bit. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to put our chicken in. The idea here is not to overcook it, just get it a little bit brown, so it makes it easier to cook when we put our sauce in. I'm pretty happy with how this is looking, so what I'm going to do now is put our sauce in. This cooks relatively quickly. The idea is here is to caramelize it on low heat. So we're cooking the chicken in this nice sauce, and it caramelizes to get this really nice decadent flavor. And as you can see, this is getting pretty damn hot. And it's almost burned, but we've just got a nice caramel kind of glaze there. And that's it, we're done. Good to go. Just make sure you serve this with a bit of rice and your favorite seasonal vegetables. Itadakimasu.